welcome back to the channel. My name is Giuseppe, and today we're gonna build my son a PC cart for his gaming computer. The thing is about 90 pounds and we just can't move it around when we need to. It's in a tight space, so we need to be able to pull it out when he's using it and push it back when he's not using it. So let's get to building this. Too big. I need 1-inch wheels. Alright, so we have the base done. The computer basically sits right on this. The only problem is I don't have any 1-inch wheels or casters or coasters, excuse me. So I'm gonna have to order those or pick them up tomorrow, and then this will be done. But it's very simple, 1 1/4 inch. So 6 on the bottom by 12 1/2. And then this is so 22, again 1 1/4 by 12 1/2. And then you have 28 on the bottom, 22 3/4 on the bottom, 22 on the top, because you have your back support. And that's all it is, and it's done. And it will be perfect. All the wires will mount right here. I will put an extension on, so all the wires to plug into, and we're good to go. Alright, there we go. Casters are on. And she rolls perfect. Oops. Beautiful. Alright, let's take this up to my son's PC and let's see how good it's gonna work. Hey guys, welcome back. So we finished my son's PC cart. As you can see, it absolutely works beautiful. He's very happy with it, and now he can slide his PC in when he's not using it and out when he needs to use it, because boy does he have a lot of games. He really does. All the collector's editions, and he loves his video games. So we had to build something that he could slide his PC in and out with no problems, and this is what I came up with. So it's a easy build. If you have a computer and you need to, you know, move it around or pull it in and push it out of its space. So I hope you guys enjoyed this build. If you like the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified when we upload a new video. And if you would like, it really helps us, please share this video with your friends or any gamers. This was a really cool build, and it made things a lot easier. We have a lot of builds coming up. We have a new video game rack for my son's console systems, because he has about 6 different consoles. So stay tuned for that build. It will be uploaded soon, and I will see you guys on the next build. Thank you so much for stopping by. Ciao for now.